simple self-introduction. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Likewise, Emily. So, a bit about me. I'm originally from Chicago, but I moved to San Diego a couple of years ago.
Oh, that's a big move. What brought you to San Diego?
I work in marketing, and there was a fantastic opportunity here that I couldn't resist. I've always been drawn to the creativity involved in marketing, and this role seemed like the perfect fit.
That's awesome. I'm a teacher, currently working with middle school students. It's challenging but incredibly rewarding. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Outside of work, I'm a bit of a bookworm. I love diving into novels, especially science fiction. Also, I'm trying to learn how to surf. San Diego seemed like the perfect place to pick up that skill.
Surfing sounds exciting. I've always wanted to try that. What's your favorite book so far?
Tough question. But if I had to choose, I'd say Dune by Frank Herbert. The world building in that book is just incredible.
Nice choice. I'm more into historical fiction myself. Do you have any favorite spots in San Diego?
I really enjoy hanging out in Balboa Park. The museums, the gardens, it's a great place to spend a weekend afternoon.
I love Balboa Park too. So beautiful. By the way, do you have any pets?
No pets at the moment, but I've been thinking about getting a dog. I hear the beaches here are perfect for long walks with free friends.
Dogs and beaches, a perfect combination. Well, it was great getting to know you, Alex. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime and continue this conversation.
Absolutely, Emily. I like that. Let's make it happen.
Sounds like a plan, Alex. I know a great coffee spot downtown. How about we meet up there next weekend?
That sounds perfect. I'm always up for discovering new coffee places. What day and time works best for you?
How about Saturday afternoon around 3 p.m.? Does that work for you?
Saturday at 3 p.m. works great for me.
Awesome. I'll text you the details and address. Oh, and if you're interested, there's a farmer's market nearby we could check out afterward.
That sounds fantastic. I love farmers markets. Fresh produce and good company, it's a plan.
Great. I'll send you the details later this week. It was really nice meeting you, Alex.
Likewise, Emily. Can't wait for our coffee adventure. See you soon.